If you're after a monopod, can you get away with something like this one here from Neewer, which is really cheap, or do you have to go for those really expensive ones? I reckon I can change your mind with this one. So this one here is the IP42 66.5 inches high. It comes with this nice felt bag, but these little flimsy straps which you can put around your shoulders, I wouldn't rely on them too much. Did break on me, and I did super glue it on. I don't know how long that's going to last, but anyway, it's a nice little bag if you want it. So this is what it looks like. It's lightweight and it's made out of aluminum or aluminium. It's got the 3 leg structure here, and it's the twisty knobs. I don't like the twisty knobs, I like the clamps, but anyway, it is what it is. And of course, as you know, you just twist them like that, and you can extend them. So they're supposed to be quicker, but I don't know. That can be debatable. So it does stand quite tall. You just got to make sure that the little foot is screwed in properly. That's the rubber side. So it stands quite tall. So it's got a 1/4 inch thread here and a 3/8 as well. And I think it supports up to 22 pounds or 10 kilo, which is quite good. Now to change it, because that's the 1/4 inch right there, to change it you just take this off, like you unscrew it. I don't want to do it now. And then you just turn it upside down and screw it back in. That's it. Like I said, it's very light. Well, it's extremely light. It's only 456 grams. It's perfect for travel and for filming maybe your kids or something. If you want to go to the football or taking bird photography and you don't want a big heavy tripod, then you can just take one of these. Just don't forget that it is a monopod, because it has happened to me where I thought I was holding a tripod and I did let go, and I grabbed it again, thinking that it was on 3 legs, but it wasn't. So make sure you don't forget that you're holding a monopod. So it extends to 66.5 inches high, and it breaks down to 22.5, I think it was 22.6 inches short, which is pretty good. The handle is rubberized, and it's got this little strap here as well, so you don't you can put it around your wrist when you're actually filming. And I would use the strap, by the way, because like I said before, you're thinking that you're holding a tripod. If you're used to filming with a tripod or taking photos with a tripod, and you seem to forget sometimes, so it's good to have the strap on your wrist. So I'll just show you the feet now, or the foot. How you would take the foot off, you just unscrew it like that and just take it all the way out. But if you wanted the spike on the bottom, you would just pull this out, and there's the spike. So if you on rocks or dirt, use that. But if you're on wood or cement or even wood like this pergola here, then you would use the spike. Now just a tip about using a monopod, especially a cheaper one. Even though this one feels nice, durable and solid, I would still take precaution in extending the legs like you would put this one out. If you were to use a big, heavy, expensive rig on this, then I would just extend the two thick part of the legs out and not the skinny part. I would just extend it just a little bit, and that'll give you enough anyway to get down and to take the shots. Do you know what I mean? So it's a bit stronger because they're thicker, but the thin leg is very thin, right? So even though it's too high there anyway for most people, I'm 6 foot, so if you're like 6'2", that would be perfect, or 6'3", that would be perfect there. But I would put the skinnier part in to make it a little bit stronger, and I would have it like that. Now they say that you could also use it to help you walk, like a hiking stick. And I can see that as well, because it does feel solid, as you can hear. So no movement, no nothing. How would it look with the big lens on it? Well, this is how it looks. Of course you'd have the camera here, but I'm filming with the camera, so I can't use it. But your camera would be here, and so nice and simple. Again, don't forget to put the strap on. It's so easy to think that you're on a tripod and you might let go of it. It's pretty good. It holds it very well. So can you use it with your action cams? Of course you can. I have the little 1/4 inch adapter on there. So you just screw that onto it. To adjust the strap, just loosen the top part and just bring the strap around anywhere you want and just tighten it up there. This is the DJI Action 5 camera. So it fits in really well. Now, you might ask, why would you need a monopod for for an action cam? But with that, you can get some really cool shots, like fake drone shots. I will take you outside of this pergola area to show you. So this is with the monopod. So if you wanted to get those drone shots, you could. Just press record and I'll show you. So that's the drone shot. Let me just take this, turn it up a little bit. Let me try again. That's the drone shot. I don't know if I'm in frame or not, but as you can see. But the beauty of this is, there's one more beauty thing. Let me stop that. The beauty of this is, you can actually put the selfie stick that comes with the DJI, and if I unscrew this one, and I could now screw this one, now I can pop that on there, and I can extend this one as well. Let's record that one. Now let's see if we can get that fake drone shot. I haven't looked at this film yet, but I'm sure that it's pretty spectacular. And as you're bringing it down, just close it as you go. So that's it really for the Neewer monopod, the P42 model. And if you're interested, the links will be in the description. And it's back to you, mister. All right, so thank you, mister. So if you are thinking of buying a monopod, what do you guys think of this one? All I can say, it's very durable, it's light, it's cheap, and perfect for travel. So if you're traveling somewhere and you want to take photos of your kids at a sporting event or something like that, this would be perfect, even for videos. So if you're still here, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and hitting the little notification bell to get notified in the next video that comes up. And also, if you did like this one, you might want to watch this one, which is a mini tripod, desk tripod, which is really cool and I use it all the time. So I'll see you over there and I'll catch you on the next one.